Prior to making sales to customers, you'll add services. Adding a service in QuickBooks Online before you make a sale lets you enter information about the service, including the name, description, and price. Then we simply choose the service from a list of services, and QuickBooks enters the information on the sales form for you. To get started, go to the Invoicing or Sales on the left-hand navigation, and then click Products and Services. Then click Add a Product or Service. Choose Service, and enter the name of the service. This will be the name of the service that will display on the customer's invoice. Then enter the description that you want to display on the customer's sales transaction. If you have a preset price, enter it here. And finally, make sure that you choose the right income account. In this example, it will always be sales. Finally, choose the correct tax rate. And that's all that's required to set up a new service. Click Save and Close to add that to your products and services list.